Hey, what's up, guys? It's day 9. So let's continue the project. So I'm going to, so we want to add tasks. We want the check button, clicking to completed state, completed. Okay, so first we actually want to add these tasks, right? So let's give this button a cursor cursor pointer like this, and let's actually get rid of this for now, and so that like this task is empty. Then we uh want to let task equal document dot create element. um let's say div. So tasks div is this tasks div. Okay, so task dot text content equal input dot value, and then we're gonna do tasks div dot append child task. Let's say do dishes. My bad, guys. My bad. Let's say do dishes at task. Okay. Now let's say um task dot append. So we're gonna create. So we're gonna let complete equal document dot create element a div. Actually, let's say a span complete dot text content equal. I'm gonna say a check thing complete dot append child to task. And let's see code, and it's not working for some reason. Complete. Okay, well, why is this not working? There are two main problems in your code, both related to how child works in the DOM. Your code problem: DOM element can only have one parent. Complete that child task. Oops, no. Task that child complete. Let's say run JS. Okay, there we go. There we go. And we're gonna say uh, complete dot class list dot add cursor pointer. So let's try it now. Okay, there we go. There we go. And then we're gonna go let delete equal document dot create element a span. What's happening? What? Delete del. Okay, looks like it's some sort of JavaScript keyword or something. So we're gonna say delete, and then we're gonna say del.text content equal. I can just copy this, del. Just replace this with del. I'm gonna say trash, a trash bin. Do coding, and then we have to do task dot append child del. So I'm just gonna type something random here, and there we go. Okay, okay. And also on the task, task task dot classlist dot add shadow excel task dot classlist dot add rounded excel. Let's see now. Task. Okay. Now add. Okay, it's not. Okay, it is there, but it's kind of invisible. I mean, I can see it like this. Task dot classlist dot add. So we're gonna give some padding px7 py3. Can I do this? Can I do this? Refresh. Okay, now I have to add them separately. I have to add these separately. So we're just gonna say here py3, and there we go. Okay, so now okay, now we want to actually, let's say, let buttons div equal document dot create element div. So you want so we want a div for the so let's do buttons div and buttons div like this, and then task dot append child task test content buttons div. Let's see. Okay, so we have that, but now we want to say task.classlist.add flex task.classlist.add justify between. Let's see now. Okay, in between. So task.classlist.add space x10. Let's see now. Okay, something is not working. Y is justify between not working here. I am using tailwind. It is actually very common tailwind post-dump gotcha. It's almost is working, but you can see the effect because of how the text is added in the elements with task text content input. Creates a text node. We do this, we are adding a raw text, not an element. Huh. Okay. Let's see, let's task text equal a document dot create element h1 task dot text task text dot text content equal input value and then now I think okay, now it's like task dot append shoot that append child come on append child task text. Okay, there we go. Maybe to Excel. Okay, so now let's do dishes. Okay, we need some spacing. Maybe we should kind of separate this a little bit, like this, like this, like like this, and here we're gonna say tasks div dot class list dot add. Actually, I can just add this to the CSS. Just add this to the CSS. I'm gonna say space y10 or something. Okay, something like this. Okay. I mean, I think it looks fine. So, uh, style.css. Let's say how to run a line through text CSS. Text decoration line through dot completed text decoration line through. Okay. Yes. Okay, but we need to somehow we will need to somehow um okay, so this so complete. Okay, we need to first link the CSS style CSS. So first we need to complete the add event listener click like this. And we're gonna say tick task dot task content task text dot class list dot add completed. Okay, dot toggle. Okay, let's see. Okay, perfect. Perfect, that actually worked. First try. Well, a lot of things don't work first try, so do do dishes. Nice. Okay. And now on, guys, we're basically finished. Now we just need to delete. Now we just need to delete, and that should be done. So del dot add event listener, event event listener, click click um task um so tasks tasks div tasks div dot to remove child task, right? I think it should be task. So let's see. Let's add a couple. Okay, guys, I think we're done with our to-do list. Okay, well, it does have some intermediate features, but other tasks. Completed active. Show hide task without loading the page. Without reloading the page. Task counter. Updates automatically tasks change. Save to local storage. Okay, guys. So we will try to implement these features, but that will be tomorrow. So on the input, let's say input dot class list dot add rounded Excel. Or actually, maybe just large. This button is a little too big. I don't need to put it here. I can just put it on um can just put it py2. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that's rounded Excel. Okay. px5. What's this guy? 5. Okay, we're not gonna increase the px. So hello. Bye. Total complete. Delete. Okay. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much it for today. That's pretty much it for today. Let's see how it looks on the page source. Let's see how it looks like this on mobile view. Pretty decent. Learn JavaScript DOM. Okay. Pretty decent, guys. Pretty decent. Okay, only thing when we add the task, let's say task dot, let's say input dot value equals empty. So let's say we add a task 1, 2, 3 or something. There we go. Very nice. Okay. Actually, this is a fun project. Okay. So we're gonna continue working on these features, filtered tasks. I think we're gonna actually have to add an array. We're gonna have to keep the tasks in an array, but we will worry about that tomorrow because right now we completed the core features, the must-haves. So yeah, okay guys. So yeah, I hope you guys can like, comment, subscribe, follow me. The links The links to follow me will be in description. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and follow me. The links to follow me, the links to follow me will be in the description. Follow my Instagram, GitHub, LinkedIn, and in Twitter. Yeah, and Twitter. If you enjoyed, guys, make sure to like as well. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.